Madison Scott. I am the field technician for the Missouri Hydrology Information Center. And today we're at Big Piney in Licking, Missouri, doing an installing a stream gauge, both a radar level sensor and a surface velocity radar. We're working with Missouri S&T to get a list of sites that would be great places to install a stream gauge at. To begin, we started by picking a place to install. So we're trying to put the radar over the deepest part of the stream. Once we picked that, we started laying down conduit and then rolled out some wire. Once we got that, we strung that wire through the conduit and did the appropriate connections with the surface velocity radar and the radar level sensor. And then behind me, Andy is installing what I like to call the heart of the stream gauge. The sensor is more of the brains, and it takes those measurements. The heart of the stream gauge, it has the battery, the solar panel, the antenna. It's how we get all of our information. You can access the information by going to your App Store or Google Play. You can also find us on the DNR website as well. We have about 40 installed all over Missouri, northeast, southwest, you name it. And we plan to install about 70 more.
So there's a pretty good chance people are going to be seeing you on a bridge somewhere.
Oh yeah, if you haven't already seen me.
When they see you, what do you want them to think?
I want people to be curious. I want people to be like, hey, I wonder what we're doing and how to access that information. I worked for DNR about a year. I've learned so much. I think I've learned more than I did in the 4 years of college. You know, this is going to make a good impact to the public of Missouri. We want to continue installing them when we can.